welcome back to another video. It's been a while, I know. Today I'm gonna be doing a packaging unboxing. First time I'm doing something like this. The last time I opened up a package was a long time ago and it wasn't on video. I don't often buy cars online. In this case I got 2 cars. At least I think it is 2 cars. I assume he hasn't put anything else in. I got 2 cars from my friend Brian's Customs on Instagram. I'll leave a link to his account in the description. And I bought a custom from him because he makes custom cars, which you should definitely check out. And another car, which you'll see once I open this up. Alright, I think I got it. Wow, bubble wrap. I don't think I opened the box the way it was supposed to open, but I got it open in the end. I think I already see the first item. First, we're going to do the first item, which is the leakless cab. Now, fun fact about the leakless hauler. I actually got the trailer, the back part of it, a few years ago. I think somewhere in 2018. Yeah, 2018 I believe. But I never got it with the front cab. Instead, I always used a shifty drug cab, which I found during the same hunt, during a flea market hunt. So yeah, now here we have the front. Get it out with bubble wrap, and he still has both of his mirrors, which is pretty good. Yeah, more bubble wrap, other foam things. Let's see, then we got this, which I think is also the trailer, just like this one. And I was right. This is the... Wait, this looks different. Huh, this one, yellow seems to have faded on the side of this one. Interesting. Might have to look into that. Yeah, here we have the full leakless hauler. Different from what I already had, apparently, with the yellow being different. I'm gonna look into that, see if that's just like because of the light or something else. And then we have one more item, which is the more special item. And you can already see it. It is the Walmart stock car. This is a custom that Ryan made himself. And it looks really good. I don't have the Walmart hauler or anything, because yeah, we don't have Walmart in the Netherlands. But yeah, he made a bunch of these Walmart racers. He also made Cars 1 racer and a Next Gen, and also Pit Crew, like Crew Chief and Pitties. And yeah, I bought one of these stock cars. I don't have a name for him at the moment, but I'll come up with something. So yeah, that's what I got during this haul. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!